Welcome to Extreme Controls and Automation Private Limited. Today we see another application of our payment system PayMaster, that is PayMaster, and what it do, it take the payment from UPI QR code and run this microwave oven. So it can bear up to 2 kilowatt load. So it is very easy to operate. We just simply scan the QR code. Price and run time can be changed from control menu, and control panel is online. When this device is connected over the Wi-Fi, it will operate the QR payment and control panel. The control panel can be operated from anywhere, from laptop or mobile. So we just do the payment. So it is started, and for safer side we put a bottle of water. So it will presently, for demo we set for 1 minute, so it will run for 1 minute. So any 2 and 2.5 kilowatt load you can operate, like microwave oven or any kind of oven or anything. So time is completed and it is ready to take another payment, and its price and time can be changed over the mobile. Only Wi-Fi connection is required. So this is our setting menu. So this is the setting options. So if we change the price, consider presently it is 5, we change it to 10, and time presently 1 minute, we can change it to 2 minutes. And just we do the save. Now you see in 30 seconds it will update. One moment. Okay. So the price is changed now, and at this time when we scan for payment, it will ask for 10 rupees, and if we do the payment, it will run for 2 minutes. You can see the microwave will start for 2 minutes. So it is that easy. We hope you order us this payment system for your general purpose uses or specific uses. You can ask us for any technical help. We are ready to serve. So again, this payment system is very robust, sturdy, will not do any kind of malfunction, and have life expectancy is around 7 to 10 years. So all things are made in good quality, industrial quality, and robust technology. Like us, subscribe us, order us. We meet you with new product and a new video. Thank you.